Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to change Canva background size. Now, if you find this video helpful, like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Okay, just open your Canva design. Now, just go over here on top left and click on resize. Note, this is only for pro users. If you don't have Canva Pro, you can't use this feature. Okay, so just click on resize. And here you can resize your background or design in centimeter, inches or pixel. Okay, so just click on uh, custom size right over here and type your width and height. Select pixel, inches, millimeter, centimeter, whatever you want. I'm going with centimeter and just click on copy and resize. Click on open. Now, as you can see, the design is resized. So that's it for the video. That's how you can change Canva background size. Thanks for watching.